Nobody wants to read or watch tutorials. If people wanted to, people that I've been working with in post-production houses wouldn't be struggling so much as they admit to. I wanted to try and make something that could accelerate your video editing in a painless way. In a WASD video, we've created a skill tree learning method that shows you everything you need to know to make your video editing faster and more comfortable. Today, I'm going to talk about how linear learning doesn't work. Why is anything from a masterclass to a YouTube video series unattractive? First off, it's stripping you of control. And I'll give you an example to illustrate this. I was at a Starbucks the other day and saw a kid being tutored in math, and they were using the same pencil. You would have the professor solving all the problems and then handing the pencil over to the other person and expecting them to know what the hell. A skill tree learning method does a complete 180. Be in control the entire time. Furthermore, linear learning slows you down. You have to succumb to the instructor's pace. With non-linear learning, with something like a skill tree, you can move on as fast or as slowly as you like. As you experience each skill, if you start off kicking ass, then you will kick ass and going all the way through it. If you start off but you're slow and steady, totally fine as well. It adapts to where you are in experience. Because without a learning method that you can tolerate, let alone being effective, your video editing is gonna stay hectic and you're gonna waste more time. What if you could accelerate your video editing as you would playing through a video game-like experience? I know it's ironic, but you can go to YouTube, our channel, and find a course that shows select skills from our skill tree course, WASD editing. Join WASD video so that you can accelerate your video editing faster and edit video getting more done and saving energy. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.